Hi there, it's Haley with Modern Exterior, and we're in Waukesha, Wisconsin today, taking a look at a cedar shake roof. So this home was built in 1970. The new homeowner just doesn't know what state, the cedar shakes are in, and when is it time to replace. Closer glance, the edges are rotting and just kind of really slide around a lot. And they're starting to warp, and you can see bits and pieces have broken off. Got some fungus growing on there. Just they're splitting and everything like that. You can see over here, there's a big chunk that's missing. Actually, one over there. That's not good. It's very rotted. It's very rotted. I don't know if you can see that. It's so bright out. Oh, see, that's not good. At this point, we're kind of going to recommend replacing because, again, the home was built in 1970. Your ridge cap shingles are splitting apart up here, and that's just not ideal because eventually, then you'll have a gap and water will get in there. So she wants to, replace this before, obviously, it starts leaking. It's always good just to kind of check on it each year and just kind of see the state of everything.